Hey guys, I forgot to mention that video was actually at part 1, and I didn't move to another place yet, so let's go do. Okay, guys, now let's get my first fidget that I opened, and I opened this pineapple. I thought this was an Orbeez stress ball. And wait there. Sorry, you guys. No. Just wait. We'll talk later. Okay, so it's a really nice stress ball. I cannot stop playing with it. And I also have a unicorn puppet. That means my collection will grow. And I'm so scared if this pops because it's like I can see like I don't know what this is. I don't know. And I'm not cutting this open, so the ones that are suggesting to cut this open, it's new and I'm not cutting this open, and this is my only stress ball. So starting off next, we got monkey noodles. Oh, shopee. Monkey noodles are just so stretchy. And it doesn't hurt, it doesn't hurt. But I thought it would. So, comment down below which one's your favorite color. Mine is personally purple, obviously. Okay, starting with the next one, we have an infinity cube. This is not my favorite fidget. It's too hard. I literally don't know why, sweetie. Okay, let's just put it back. This is a nice infinity cube, but I wanted the pink one. But this one is my favorite because it's pink. But look, this one is so heavy, and I'll show you my other unicorn puppet. Hey guys, I just got a pizza break. This is my unicorn puppet. And this is my ice cream puppet. I need a water break. Stay there. Can you play with that? Yeah. Guys, she's gonna play with the infinity cube. I just got my water. Sorry, if you don't like pizza, then don't watch this part. Blue. Yellow. Pink. To my classmate. It's hard to make a hydrant if I'm gonna give this or not. And these is for my classmate. Oh, it matches. So, you get from my classmate. Right there. That's my bag. Hi guys. Okay. We're gonna rate this one. A 10 out of 10. It's sticky. Makes a noise. And it's pink.
Don't let them see, okay?
I won't. And now we got our inflated tube. This is so hard to play with when only with one hand. Oops. Next, the Hobbit. They both have good sides.
Yay! I'm done my dress.
She was changing, by the way. Monkey noodles are 5 out of 10. This one, 6 out of 10. This one, a million out of 10. Nothing really matches with these two noodles. Sorry about that. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Bye!